Alright guys, it's the first trout stocking day. Nice trout. That's a keeper. Alright. Put her in there. She's a good trout. Yep. Alright guys. This is our trout stocking adventure. Say hello to the camera, that's all.
What up?
Alright, yeah, this is what we got. This is the biggest trout. It's about a 2-pound trout. They're all slipping and sliding. Yeah, that's our biggest today. These are just another one. This one's still a little lively. Another one. This one's stiff as a rock. It's like the first one we got. There's a nicer male-like trout. Here's a.
That's only male, right?
That's a brown hybrid right there. That one. That's a brown hybrid.
Only male?
Yep. And guys, got a bass. Try to pull her in here by the line. Stuck in all these bushes and stuff. Let me get her off here. Nice looking bass. Nice looking bass. Nice bass on a shaky head. Look at her like that. Yep. I'll make another video if I get another one. Bass, brother. She's coming right near you, isn't she?
Oh yeah. Look at him.
Took that little jig. Look at that bass, man. Huh?
Nice one.
Nice bass, brother. Yeah. Alright. Alright, dude. That bass, baby. Look at that thing. Here, look at her out in the sun. Look at that bass.
That's a nice one.
That's a freaking huge bass, man. Look at that.
It's in Palo Verde Ponds.
Fish, man. Just look at her in the water. She was just right out in the deep, and I cast a little tube stump jumper, chartreuse color on a white jig head, and she just slammed it. That is a beast bass, man. All right, man, let's go.